In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change paper size for printing in Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see here, I have a Microsoft Word document and I wish to go ahead and change the paper size for printing. By default, Microsoft Word is set to print in A4 size. But to change the paper size, just go to File here and then choose this option, Print. Now under Print, go ahead and look for settings and then go to paper size. As you can see, we have paper size here. It is indicated by plain page and sometimes it might be written letters. As you can see, currently it is set to A4. To change this size, go ahead and click on it. We have various sizes such as letter, tabloid, legal, statement, executive, size A3, A4, A5, as well as B4 and B5. Should you want a customized size, just go ahead and click on more paper sizes, and this will give you an option to choose the width and the height of your choice. Once you are done, go ahead and click on OK, or you can also just choose the paper size from here to see all the available paper sizes. Once you are done, now you can go ahead and click on OK, and here you'll see now your preferred or selected paper size selected. From here, now you can proceed and print, and here you'll have your document printed in the paper size of your choice. So that's how you can change or select paper size for printing in Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.